friends, Colleen here. It's been so long since I've made a YouTube video and I'm very excited to be back. I actually recorded this video back in November of last year and it has just been waiting for me to put it together, so here I am. Today I am using the Mollie kit from Felicity Jane and I am just in love with this pattern paper from the kit. The beautiful colors, fall is my favorite season, so this was perfect and I knew I wanted to use it in my traveler's notebook. If you don't know, my traveler's notebook I use to document my monthly interests, so whatever I'm listening to, reading, watching, etc. So this month I am documenting, I was watching a lot of NCIS and the show You on Netflix, which is really good, I recommend it. And then reading Lore Olympus, which is a graphic novel, and playing the game Pan Am with my family quite a bit. So I wanted to put all of that in my notebook here. So I cut down my background pieces of paper to fit inside of my traveler's notebook. I then cut the pattern paper into kind of a wave abstract shape and then stitched it to the background paper. Because I wanted to add stitching, I made sure to do this outside of the notebook and then I will adhere it in. This big ephemera piece came in the Mollie kit and I knew I wanted to use it as a frame. I really like that it says sweater weather on it. So I cut out the middle of it and then I'm just going to adhere it to my photo, and then I will just stamp the word November because I also like to make sure to include the month on each layout that I do in my traveler's notebook. So I'm going to stop the voiceover now because the rest of the video will mostly just be sticking things down, and I think it will be pretty easy to follow along. So go ahead, relax, enjoy the sticking and plonking, and I will come back around at the end. So that is my layout today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to do a little bit of a flip through here. If you're interested in seeing other things I create, which includes cards and full-size layouts, you can head over to my Instagram, which will be linked in the description below, and that is also where you'll find all the products that I use today. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to make another video soon. Bye-bye.